Welcome to our culinary journey through Bangladesh. We're about to dive headfirst into a world of incredible flavors, vibrant spices, and dishes that have been enjoyed for generations. Today, we'll explore the traditional foods that make Bangladeshi cuisine so unique and flavorful. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover the heart and soul of Bangladesh, one delicious bite at a time. Right, you lot, listen up. In Bangladesh, rice isn't just a side dish, it's the bloody backbone of the meal. It's the foundation upon which a symphony of flavors is built. We're talking fluffy, fragrant basmati rice, perfectly cooked and ready to soak up all those incredible curries and sauces. From the simplest dal to the most elaborate biryani, rice is the star of the show. It's the canvas upon which the culinary masterpiece of Bangladesh is painted. With rivers crisscrossing the country, it's no surprise that fish is a massive deal in Bangladesh. And let me tell you, these aren't your sad, overcooked fillets. We're talking about fresh, flavorful catches, bursting with flavor. Hilsa, the national fish, reigns supreme. This beauty, often cooked with mustard sauce in a dish called Shorshe Ilish, will blow your bloody mind. And don't even get me started on Panta Ilish, fermented rice with fried Hilsa, an explosion of taste. Don't think for a minute that lentils are boring. In Bangladesh, dal is a culinary revelation. We're talking about rich, flavorful lentil soups and stews that warm you from the inside out. Each spoonful is a comforting hug, packed with spices and aromas that will transport you straight to a Bangladeshi kitchen. Whether served with rice or bread, dal is a staple you won't want to miss. Now this is what I call proper comfort food. Buna khichuri is a revelation, a glorious blend of rice, lentils, and an orchestra of spices that'll make your taste buds sing. And the best part? It's often served with beef, chicken, or egg curry, adding even more depth and richness to this already incredible dish. Trust me, one bite and you'll be hooked. Biryani isn't just a dish in Bangladesh, it's an institution. We're talking about fragrant rice, tender meat, usually chicken or mutton, and a symphony of spices, all cooked to perfection. And if you're feeling really adventurous, try the kachi biryani, where the meat is marinated and cooked with the rice. It's a flavor explosion that'll have you licking your plate clean. Panta Bhat, my friends, is fermented rice that's been a staple in Bangladesh for centuries. It's tangy, it's refreshing, and it's often served with simple, flavorful ingredients like salt, onions, and green chilies. This dish is all about celebrating the simple pleasures of food, and it's a must-try for anyone who wants to experience the true essence of Bangladeshi cuisine. Let's talk about something sweet, shall we? Pithas are traditional rice cakes or sweets that are an integral part of Bangladeshi festivals and celebrations. From the steamed, delicate chitoi pitha to the rich and decadent puli pitha, filled with coconut and jaggery, there's a pitha out there for everyone. Don't underestimate the power of a good barda. These mashed vegetable or fish dishes are bursting with flavor, thanks to generous amounts of mustard oil, onions, and chilies. Whether you prefer the comforting aloo barta, which is mashed potatoes, or the smoky and flavorful begun barta, which is mashed eggplant, you're in for a treat. Now here's a dish that'll wake up your taste buds. Fushka, also known as puchka or panipuri, is a street food sensation in Bangladesh. Imagine this: crispy puris, filled with a tangy tamarind water, spiced chickpeas, potatoes, and a medley of flavors that'll leave you wanting more. It's messy, it's vibrant, and it's an absolute must-try. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Chingri Malay curry is a prawn curry that's cooked in a rich, creamy coconut milk gravy. The prawns are succulent, the sauce is divine, and the balance of spices is spot on. This dish is luxury on a plate, and it's best enjoyed with a generous serving of fluffy white rice. Bangladeshis know how to do sweets right, and mishti is a testament to that. From the spongy, melt-in-your-mouth rasgulla to the creamy and decadent sandesh, every bite is a celebration of sweetness. And don't even get me started on cham-cham, a traditional Bengali sweet that's often topped with cream or grated coconut. It's pure indulgence. Listen up, you lot. This dish is a staple in Bangladesh for a reason. Shorshe Ilish, fish cooked in a vibrant mustard-based gravy, is a flavor bomb waiting to explode. The mustard adds a pungent kick, the spices bring the heat, and the fish, well, it's cooked to perfection. This is home-style cooking at its finest, simple, flavorful, and utterly satisfying. And there you have it, a delicious tour of traditional Bangladeshi foods. From the comforting rice dishes to the fiery curries and delightful sweets, Bangladeshi cuisine is a celebration of flavor, tradition, and culinary artistry. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. See you next time.